Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here from my YouTube channel, asked me to place order for their goods on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, and I decided to make a video about it and show you on how to place order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, just like what you see right here. So let's get started. Very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and exit from my WhatsApp right here, and I will go ahead and open my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Having opened up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon right here. So I'm going to go ahead now and click on this profile icon right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to fill all the products in my cart. So here we go. These are all the products, just like what you have seen in my WhatsApp. Okay, so the very first thing we want to do here is to select the product one after the other and proceed with payment. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or iDoFish or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or Shenyun or Alibaba or AliExpress, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's go ahead. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to select this product, select this one, then select the third one. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So here we go. From 3 different stores right here, I'm paying the sum of 126.8 yuan. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Allow the Alipay to connect. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and enter payment password. Our payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Now go ahead and click on done right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and go back. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So we have them all right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and open up my WhatsApp and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them. So I'm going to click on my attach gallery, then proof of payment, say payment done. It's that simple. If this is exactly what you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo, 1688, Taobao, Shenyun or iDoFish or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.